So hello friends, I welcome you to all to this technical series of video lectures, and in today's lecture I will elaborate the rules for evaluating the arithmetic expression in C and C++ programming language, and I would also discuss the interview questions associated to it. So first come to what are the rules behind evaluating the arithmetic expressions. So there are basically two rules, that is what first one is precedence and second one is associativity. So what is precedence? So the precedence rule is applied in determining the order of applications of operators in evaluating sub expressions, and there are two distinct priority levels of arithmetic operators in C, that is one is called higher priority level operators and second one is called lower priority level operators. So in higher priority level operator it includes multiplication, integer division and modulo division, and in lower priority operator it includes plus and minus. So when parentheses are used, the expression within the parenthesis assume higher priority. That means what? If an expression, arithmetic expression without parenthesis, then you first consider the higher priority operator as multiplication, integer division and modulo division, and lower priority is plus and minus. Then come to the concept of associativity. So what is associativity? So the associativity rule is applied when two or more operators of the same precedence level appear in the sub expression. That means what? If more than one operator belongs to the same precedence level, that is either higher priority or lower priority, then you can apply the concept of associativity. And associativity either from left to right or from right to left. And in arithmetic expression case, the associativity always from left to right. That is, simply scan from left to right and evaluate the operators in the first come first serve basis. Okay. So this is the concept behind precedence and associativity of evaluating the arithmetic expressions. So let us now discuss some interview questions related to this arithmetic expressions. So come to our questionnaire sessions. So welcome to our questionnaire sessions. So let us now evaluate or find out the first program output. Okay. So what will be the output of this program? So it's very simple. That is, the expression is what? I equal to 4 into 5. I equal to 4 into 5 modulo division 6. Okay. So this is the main expression of this program. Okay, right? So first, see, in this expression, how many operators are there? Two operators, multiplication and division, and both belongs to your higher priority operator case. Okay. So if more than two operators are belonging to the same priority level, then already we have discussed, then you can apply the concept of associativity. That is what? You simply scan from left to right and evaluate first come first serve basis. That means first you have to evaluate 4 into 5, that is what? 20, then modulo division 6. Okay. Again you have to find out the precedence. So only one operator is there, so no need of find out precedence and associativity. So directly you evaluate 20 modulo division 6, the remainder is what? 2. So modulo division, simply find out the remainder. So 2. So this is the output of this program. So now let us see the implementation. So let us now come to our second program. It's a seems a very simple program, but there is a very vital trick is there behind this evaluation process. So let us see. See, the main expression is what? I equal to j into j. So that is what? 300 into 300. So generally the answer will be what? 90,000. Yes or no? But this is the wrong answer. Okay, the right answer is what? 24464. So very interesting. Okay, so first let us see the implementation, then I will tell you what is the tricks behind this evaluation process. So come to the implementation part. Okay, got the result, that is what? 24464. Now I will describe the concept behind this. So actually what happens, after every evaluation the value will be stored into a virtual stack. Automatically the stack will be, virtual stack will be created, and that is automatically created at the time of compilation process or evaluating the arithmetic expressions. So as here the variable is an integer type, so automatically an integer stack will be created. Okay, stack will be created, that is integer type. So first the value will be assigned into the stack, and from stack the value will be assigned to the variable I. Okay, so in this case, and as you know, the integer range is what? -327,682 plus 32767, or you can write 65536. It is the range of an integer star. That is the capacity of star. So at the time of pushing or inserting the 90,000 into the star, it exceeds the range of integer star. Okay, that is 35536. So it will subtract 90,000 with 65536. Okay, that is what? 10 minus 6, 4, 6, 4, 4, 2. So it will assign or insert 24464 into the star. Okay, and as there is no other operations, so 24464 will be assigned to the variable I. As a result, you are getting the output is 24464 instead of getting 90,000. Now come to our third program of this series. That is what is also little bit related to the previous program. Okay, so here the expression is what? I equal to j into j divided by j plus 4. So this is the expression. That is what you simply place 300 instead of j, that is what? 300 into 300 divide 300 plus 4. Okay, as I have already told the previous program, that is evaluation process, after every evaluation the value will be stored into the stack. So same style, just create an stack that is integer type, and its range is what? 65536. Okay, so see, so first the same style you find out the precedence. See, multiplication and division having the higher priority and plus is the lower priority. So as two operators belongs to the higher priority, as you know, you can apply here the associativity. That is what? Scan from left to right and evaluate first come first serve basis. So initially it will evaluate 300 into 300 and store it into the stack. Okay, so 300 into 300 is how much? Already we have calculated in the previous program, that is 90,000. But it cannot store 90,000 into the stack because the stack capacity is 65536. Okay, so see, 65536. So it will subtract, that is what? 244. Yes, last program we have already calculated 24464. So it will insert 24464 into the stack. Okay, and then in the next step it will simply place 24464 that is extracted from the stack divide 300 plus 4. See, very clear. Instead of writing 90,000, it will place 24464. Okay, and that is what extracted from the stock. Okay, the same style. See, again you find out the precedence of operators. Yes, here division belongs to the higher priority and plus belongs to the lower priority. So no need of applying associativity. Directly it will evaluate 24464 divide 300. See, that is what 300. So 308 that is 240, right? 464 1 300 and 4 6 1. Okay, so it will assign 81 into the stock. Okay, so 81 is less than 65536, so no need of subtracting 81 with 65536. Okay, so next step, 24464 divide 300, it will result as 81 plus 4. Okay, now you find out precedence. So only one operator is there, so no need of find out the precedence of operators. So 81 plus 4 is 85. So the output of this program will be what? 85. So very interesting. See the implementation. So thank you everyone for viewing this video lecture, and please put your queries, suggestions or comments if any to the given mail ID, and in the next video lecture we will be discussing some more concepts or tricks behind arithmetic operators. So thank you to all.